Guys, welcome to my channel once again. In this video, we're going to discuss basically two updates that I believe all of you need to know. Number one is Rubi KYC verification. With no doubt for all this while everybody is facing this particular problem, which is KYC 1.5. And I just observed something now, which I believe it may work for all of you. Okay, so you have to carefully listen as I'm going to explain carefully. And the second update we are going to discuss today is what we know as Arichain listing update. Okay, so all you need to do is to kindly watch the video till the end, and if it's the first time coming to my channel, consider subscribing for more videos. Okay, we're going to start with Rubi KYC 1.5, and I'm going to use this fresh account as demonstration, which just have about 10 rubies. Okay, now if we click on this particular my profile and I come over to the user verification and I click on eKYC, okay, and we click on continue, you will see this, which is having 30 rupees and receive KYC 1.5. So what we're going to do is very simple. We're going to come back here. Okay, first of all, you have to receive Ruby from someone. Okay, at least 30 rupees from someone that is already verified. As you can see, they charges Ruby before you'll be able to complete with the verification. And to do that is very simple. You're going to come over to your wallet. After clicking on wallet, guys, it is important you create your wallet. And for people that doesn't know how to create wallet, it is very simple. Okay, so if we come over to settings here, you see this option, which is switch wallet. And from switch wallet, you'll be able to create a wallet by simply clicking on add new wallet. Okay, so after clicking on add new wallet, you agree to everything and create it. It's very simple. So let me come back to my wallet now. So the step number one, as stated earlier, is to receive Ruby, which is verify Ruby from someone that have already been verified. So you are going to click on receive. After clicking on receive, it's either you copy your address, as you can see, this is your receiving address, or you send him the scan QR, okay, so that they can send the Ruby for you. Okay, once that step is done, the next step you are going to do is simple. You are going to come over to the settings here. After clicking on setting, that is under your wallet. Okay, you come to setting, then you click on set pin or pin setting. It is important you create your pin. So we are going to click on add new pin and confirm. So let me do that very fast. So guys, as you can see, I've created the pin. You have to enter and re-enter. You enter here, you re-enter, then you click on apply. Okay, so after clicking on apply, you just wait for some time, and as you can see, update successful. Okay, and our pin have been created successfully. So the next thing you're going to do is this. I stated that before you receive Ruby KYC, which is KYC 1.5, it is important to be active on the airdrop, because that one is automatic. You don't need to do anything. So after receiving the Ruby in your wallet, that is the one that have been sent by the verified user, you can now go ahead to click on user verification. Then you click on eKYC. Okay, after clicking on eKYC, then you can now continue. You'll get the 30 rupees here. Then you go ahead to complete the verification. And for the Ruby KYC 1.5, I stated earlier, you have to be active on the airdrop. That is number one. You have to keep on mining. Okay, that is, you keep on mining on a daily basis. Once the 24 hours countdown, you come and tap the mining again, and you have to perform some activities here, okay, in order to be qualified for the KYC 1.5 invitation. Okay, and if that is not working after you have successfully performing all these activities, it is also good to troubleshoot, as I keep on telling you. And to do that is very simple. Once you go to your setting, you see an option which says that contact Ruby. Okay, so in this particular place, Ruby team, after clicking on Ruby team, you just wait for it to load. Then you scroll down. Let us click on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen, and here you're going to see contact. Okay, so I need to click on that contact. Then you scroll down. Here's their email address, their phone number as well. Then you clearly state your problem. Okay, So that is it. And for the Arichain, if we go to S known as Twitter, so here's a news released by them after the closure of the registration. It says that Ari Wallet registration have been completed. Users who hold an OG role or higher, please complete your information registration within Discord. Okay, so finally it says that Arichain will never ask for your wallet, seed phrase, or any external links. Please stay alert and avoid scam links. Okay, so this is what I keep on telling you guys on a daily basis. A lot of people are complaining that they have been scammed of their Arichain account now. Because of what? Because they are too desperate about the listing, to the extent that whenever they see a post that talk about Arichain listing, they'll quickly click on the link. As a result of that, they get scammed. This is Arichain official Twitter account, and this is where any official information will be posted concerning Ari Wallet. Okay, and if there's any important update regarding listing, they'll also post it here. So you have to be very careful. Also, if Arichain is going to launch, if you come to your Ari Wallet here, that is, if you open your Ari Wallet, this is testnet, and this mainnet which shows coming soon will be open. But before then, there are important things they are going to do. Number one, they'll announce the listing date. Okay, and secondly, there will be an option to withdraw our N points to the various wallets depending on the wallet they are going to listing on, like BitGet, Bybit, OKS, Binance, depends on the one they are going to collaborate with. Okay, and finally it will launch or it will list. Then you will now be able to trade your Ari points. We don't know whether they are going to ask for gas fee or not at the moment. Okay, however, you have to stay safe and beware of scammers, and this is what I have for you at the moment. If you find this video interesting, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.